I'm Fiona and this is my YouTube channel, Sing at Sight. In the previous videos, you have been learning how to sing musical shapes that rise and fall, starting and ending on a C. Now we are going to try adding some different length notes, which will change the rhythm of each passage. We're going to use crotchets just as before, but we're also going to add in a few minims, which last for the same time as two crotchets, and also quavers, which last for half the length of a crotchet. Sing along to this passage. You can sing la or da. One, two, three, four. Now sing it again on your own in time with the green bar. One, two, three, four. Here is another passage. Sing along. One, two, three, four. Now sing it again on your own in time with the green bar. One, two, three, four. This time have a go first. You will then hear how it sounds. This is how it sounds. Now try this one. This is the first and last note. This is how it sounds. You are now going to have a go at passages which use dotted crotchets. The dot to the right of the crotchet makes the note last for 1.5 beats, so an extra half a beat. Here is an example of how it looks and sounds in a piece in 4/4 at a moderate speed. You will notice it is usually followed by a quaver in this time signature. In the examples that follow, you will notice that the green bar moves a bit more often than you might expect when you see a dotted note. This is because it's giving you the pulse of each crotchet, even if you're not changing note at this point. This helps you to keep feeling the pulse. Sing along with each example using the sound da or la. Now, sing along to the piano, reading and listening to the rhythm really carefully. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, sing along to the piano, reading and listening to the rhythm really carefully as you sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you get on? Now move on to the next video. Change that key.